morning. Welcome to the Philippine Consulate General in Calgary. I am SBEI, or Special Board of Election Inspector Chairperson, Victoria Dimaguba Jr., and I am with the members of the Special Board of Election Inspectors for Calgary PCG, led by Paul Tulip, Mr. Dean Cornelia, and our alternate third member, Ms. Diane Monticello. We are also accompanied by the member of the Special Ballot or Reception Custody Group, Ms. Cyril Vista and Ms. Blanche Tangkay. We are here to begin the process for the start of the 2025 national and local elections for the overseas voting as mandated by COMELEC Resolution 11061. This morning, the SBRCG has turned over to the SBEI of Calgary PCG the collapsible box and the OVCS, or Overseas Voting and Counting System equipment for voting, and they have duly required the SBEI to acknowledge receipt of the same, of the collapsible box and the OVCS equipment using the log sheet for this purpose. In the presence of the SBRCG, and the SBI has broken the seal, as you can see, by the box and opened the collapsible box. May I kindly request to take out the election-related forms and supplies to be used for today and enter such fact in OVF number 11A, Ms. Diane. And at the same time, we have already brought the sealed OVCS equipment box here to the polling center of the Philippine Consulate General in Calgary. And this will also be noted in OVF number 11A. We would like to note that we have already set up our voting kiosk here in Calgary PCG. We do not record any watchers present here today, but we are live streamed in order to be transparent to our kababayans here in the provinces of Alberta and Saskatchewan in Canada. May I request our members of the SBEI to ensure that the sealed OVCS equipment box is in the polling place? Can we be assured that it is there already and we have opened it in the presence of the SBRCG? You will see that the SBEI third member is showing to the SBRCG that the OVCS equipment box has been opened, and we have opened it, and we have already also installed the OVCS equipment and peripherals inside here and have installed them here in the polling precinct. May I request the third member to get the OVF number 11F inside the ballot box, or which we did during the minutes of the final lockdown and sealing last Friday. You will see that the FLS OVF number 11F is being shown in the camera. Check if the serial number of the paper seal used in the OVCF equipment box during the FLS is the same as the serial number recorded in the minutes of FLS or in the OVF number 11F. Can we confirm that it is the same?
Yeah, it's the same.
Thank you very much. Place in the minutes of the FLS or OVF number 11F back in its envelope and seal the same with the paper seal. So, ibig sabihin, can you kindly open it? Okay. And place it back inside the envelope with the paper seal. Yes. See? Enter in the minutes of voting and counting, or OVF number 11A, the fact that the OVCS equipment box was shown to the public with the seals intact. And we have already retrieved the necessary election-related technical materials specific for the use of the SBI for today's operations. May I now proceed to the commencement of the technical procedures for the beginning of the election for 2025 here in Calgary PCG. May we kindly request the poll clerk to record and open the computer, and please check first whether the serial and record the serial numbers placed in during the FLS in the minutes also. Yes, please. May I kindly request the poll clerk to turn on the OVCS admin laptop and connect all the cables to the OVCS laptop, admin laptop, as well as to the OVCS printer, and also ensure that the thermal printer has thermal paper roll inside already. Momentarily, we will be showing to our public and to our audience the steps that we will take in order to open the online admin portal for this year's elections here in Calgary PCG. The poll clerk has now logged into the computer and will now turn to the URL for the admin laptop of the OVCS in order to begin the process to open this year's voting. Okay. For the information of our public, we are here with the OVCS admin portal. Please excuse us as we will now log in the chairperson's credentials. We have now logged in to the OVCS admin portal. May I request the poll clerk to go to the leftmost part of the OVCS page and click the 2025 Philippine National Elections Overseas event. Following that, please click the Tally tab. Click Generate Initialization Report button. That one. Under Key Ceremonies, ensure that the selected election is the general elections of the post. Please start the initialization report, the initialization report button. Are you sure you want to start the ceremony? You're about to start a tally ceremony. This action will notify the trustees to import their key fragments. Please click OK to continue the generation of the initialization report. You will see that the system is displaying a progress page of the OVCS initialization process. May I request that the credentials of the SBI chairperson be logged out. The log out is on the rightmost part of the screen. Please log out. Yes, please. We are now back in the login page. We now have to place in the trustee credentials of the SBI chairperson. We will off the screen first. We have now logged in using the trustee credentials of the SBI chairperson, and we have also plugged in the USB token containing the chairperson's key to the OVCS admin laptop. On the leftmost part of the OVCS page, click the 2025 Philippine National Elections Overseas event. Click Tally tab. You will see under the election event Tally tab, select the tally type, initialization report with status started. Click the green key. The green key under actions column. The system will display the elections tally page. The SBI chairperson shall scroll down to the page and click the browse link. The browse link there under the SBI portion. The system will now pop up the folders window and select the USB token drive. So please check, go to the SBI chairperson folder. Click general elections. The system we have now located and selected the encrypted private key of the trustee of the chairperson and click the open button, and next Press next button. Next button. Okay. So you will notice that the trustee has a check mark already under the fragment column of the trustee of the SBI portion. This indicates a successful uploading of the key certificates of the SBI chairperson. We shall now log out the SBI chairperson's profile from the OVCS admin laptop as well as the token. We request the SBI poll clerk to place his token and to input his trustee credentials. May request the poll clerk to then proceed to the 2025 Philippine National Elections Overseas event and click the tally tab again. You will see the green button also. Please click that. We will do the same process as we did with the chairperson. The system should redisplay that we now have two trustee keys already in place. Under trustee number 2. May I now request the SBI poll clerk to please log out this device. We will then again log in the SBI chairperson. May I please request the poll clerk now to go to the 2025 Philippine National Elections Overseas event and to click the tally tab. So you will see that there is an antenna on the rightmost part of the screen under the action column. Please click the antenna. The system will display a progress page of the OVCS initialization process. We shall now click the Start Tally button. We will now wait until the status becomes success. The process usually takes a few minutes. Sorry for the delay. Status success. So yes, we shall now scroll down to the page to results and participation. Click actions under the word electrons. Yes. Press actions. Export the Canada-Calgary PCG results in PDF format to download this initialization report. Please press. Thank you. Rename the file that you will rename this file to IR_Canada. Kindly save this first. Go to the downloads tab there. Rename please to IR, capital IR, _Canada. underscore Canada. Canada dash Calgary PCG. And print, save please first. Then kindly open the document once again for printing. You will now see, can we please scan down before we start that? You will now see the initialization report, and you will notice that there are 0 votes for all the candidates under senator. Please go down. We see there are 66 senators, and you will now, in the party list section, you will notice that there are also 0 votes for all the party list. We have a total of, can we go up there for 156 party lists listed under this initialization report. And please proceed up to the senators list. We will notice there are 66 candidates for senator. Please go up and from the top so that we can see to our public that there are no votes cast for the Senate. Thank you very much. May I request now the SBI poll clerk to print the document. We are now printing. We have concluded printing, and may I request the alternate third member to present to our observers, which includes our Consul General, Emma R. Sarni. So that we can verify and to ascertain that there are no votes inside the ODCS admin laptop of Calgary PCG. Please kindly show to ascertain personally that there are 0 votes cast. May I request members of the SBI to sign the initialization report in the corresponding fields as well as their thumb marks, as well as our thumb marks. Thank you very much. May I request the alternate third member to place the initialization report in its corresponding envelope. Thank you. May now request, as we begin, please also note down, as we seal that envelope, the serial number for the paper seal that we will be using for this initialization report.
It's for day one, sir. April 30.
Today is it, yes. Please note down the serial number also, if it is noted, okay? And then please kindly seal. Thank you. We shall continue with the in a while, shortly. When we are concluded with the ceremony, we can sign. May I now proceed to the next step, the most awaited portion of the this morning's proceedings, the procedure for the start of voting period. May I now request the poll clerk to return back to the admin portal. Please proceed to the leftmost part of the page, OVCS page. Click Post General Election Event. Click the Publish tab. Click the Start Voting button. The action you will about to perform is sensitive and requires confirmation. Please enter your password to proceed with Start Voting. Kindly click Confirm. Once again, the SBI chairperson will have to re-input the password. Have we inputted it already? Okay. Please click the login button. We are just making sure that our voting system is operational, and we have logged out from the system once again, and are inputting our credentials for the SBI chairperson. Please wait a moment as we connect with our technical team in Manila.
Hi, good morning, Ms. Jessica. Hello. Hi, good morning from Calgary, CBCG. I'm much, Jess. I know you have a long day. Yeah, okay. Okay, sige, sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay.
You will note in the screen that the start button has now been dimmed, and we have now begun. Already, the system has already confirmed that the voting has already started. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, we can now declare that overseas voting in the online platform for Calgary PCG for the provinces of Alberta and Saskatchewan has already begun today, April 13, 2025, at exactly 8:22 a.m. We apologize for the delay, but rest assured that the Philippine Consulate General in Calgary is now ready to accept overseas votes. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagsabaybay sa aming ngayong umaga.